Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to Uncle Leo's Story Time. Today's story is called Joe's Sweet Tooth. Do you like candy? Do you like cake? Do you like cookies? Do you like to eat sweet things? It's okay to eat some sweet things, but don't eat too much of anything that's sweet. It can be bad for your health, and it can be really bad for your teeth too. Let's listen to this story about a little boy, Joe, and how his mom taught him about taking care of his teeth. Joe has a sweet tooth. That means he likes to eat sweets. But there is a problem. Joe doesn't want to brush his teeth. His mother says, "If you don't brush your teeth, soon you're going to get a toothache." Joe says, "If my teeth hurt me, I will have them all pulled out." His mother laughs. "It's not that easy," she says. "Would you like to know what happens if you pull out all of your teeth?" "Yes." Joe is very interested. "Everyone only gets 2 sets of teeth," says Mom. "First, we get our baby teeth. At age 6, our baby teeth fall out and we grow new, strong teeth," says his mother. "And then what?" asked Joe. "After that, we don't grow new teeth anymore. So if you get the teeth pulled out, you won't be able to eat all the delicious food that you like," says his mother. Oh no! Joe now knows how bad things can be if he does not take care of his teeth. So remember, don't be like Joe. Brush your teeth. Take care of them. They're very important to you.